Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming access to the email and phone linked to the Shopify account. This matters because recovery codes are tied to your two-factor setup. Once done, open Shopify admin and go to Security Settings. Make sure you're using the device that previously completed 2FA. If you still have an active authenticator app, do not remove it yet. Gather the store URL and any billing info. These expedite support verification when a recovery code is requested. Next, navigate to Settings, then Users and Permissions. You need to find the two-step authentication section. You will either see a list of recovery codes to copy or a prompt to generate new ones. Click the appropriate button and save codes to a secure file or password manager. If the account requires another admin to generate codes, pause and contact them. Make sure to download or screenshot codes immediately because each code is single-use. Losing them forces a support route. To finish, securely store the recovery codes offline and in your password manager. Mark any used codes as spent. If you cannot access the recovery codes and are locked out, contact Shopify support. Provide store URL, account owner details, and billing verification so they can escalate identity checks. If an authenticator app or SMS backup still works, use it to regain access and then regenerate recovery codes. If problems persist, follow support's instruction and be ready to verify ownership quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.